Sure, what is up? Good morning, guys. It is day 11 here in Australia, and yeah, it is early in the morning, 7 a.m. We're heading to the train station. It's going to just arrive here in Newcastle, guys. It is a 3-hour train ride from Sydney to here, and yeah, we are now here in War Memorial Culture Center in Newcastle. So hope you enjoy this. Alright guys, we're now here in the park. Gonna grab some lunch because it's already 12. So lunch in the park, guys, is great. Let's go. Right guys, we just finished lunch. Now we're here in the public bath, Newcastle. You guys see that? The weather is kind of warm, so I'll just take off my jacket. Yeah, it is so good. But the wind is kind of strong though. Alright guys, we are now here at the entrance. We're gonna go grab some snacks and go near the Pelicans later. Yeah, the boys. This is it, guys. We're gonna go near the Pelicans because they're gonna feed them now. Yes, this is gonna be great, guys. Sure, what is up, guys? We are now here where wild kangaroos are. Yeah, there's just one over there. Oh my god, it's gonna be cool, guys. Oh my gosh, he just opened his mouth. He's right over there. More over there, and we're gonna take a lot of good B-rolls right over here and some photos, guys. It's really exciting. Oh my gosh, we're gonna touch some kangaroos. Woo!